Hi everyone, it's me Louis and welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up gift cards in your Shopify store. So if you've been thinking about offering your customers gift cards as a purchase option in your store, then stay tuned for this video. So you're thinking about offering your customers the option to purchase gift cards on your store, but you're not really sure how to set it up. Let me show you. Inside of your Shopify dashboard, go under Products and then look for gift cards. Gift cards are a type of product inside the Shopify store. Okay, so all you have to do is click on gift cards here. You're presented with two options. You can either 1. Add gift card product, or 2. Issue gift card. The first option, to add a gift card product, is useful when you want to put a gift card product in your store. That means you have a product listing on your store selling gift card in denominations that you prefer. For example, a $10 gift card, a $20 gift card, or a $50 gift card, and so on. The second option, that is to issue a gift card, is useful for when you're not exactly planning to sell gift cards as a product listing on your store, but instead want to issue gift cards from time to time in an ad hoc manner to your customers. This can be because you have made your customer unhappy and want to make up for things, or just as a way to make your customers happy, for example, by offering a birthday gift card. Okay, so now let's take a look at how to set them up in your store. To set up a gift card product, first click on this button. Alright, so here you can see you have a few fields that you need to fill up in order for this gift card to be active. First, it's the title, then the description, media, okay, image, your gift card image, as well as the denominations. Okay, let's take a look at them one by one. So the title of your gift card, so usually you can go with the brand plus a gift card. Okay, so for example, my store is the Malaysia apparel store. Okay, gift card. Then you want to give it a description, something to tell your potential buyers what this gift card could be used for. Okay, buy a gift card for your loved ones so they can get something nice from our store. Okay, so very simple. You could also add some information on how this gift card could be used in case people who have never used digital gift cards before are thinking about buying this gift card. So for example, you could say how to use the gift card and then give some instructions. Okay, other than how to use the gift card, you might also want to tell this potential buyer what the terms and conditions of this gift card is like, which means to say, when can this gift card be used, when can it not be used, what are the limitations for using this gift card, is there an expiry date, and so on. Okay, so you want to also put this information here. Okay, alright, so once that's ready, you want to come down and then add an image for your gift card. Okay, so even though they are not receiving any physical gift card, you can add an image just to make it more visually appealing. Okay, so finally, the denominations. Okay, so denominations means in what denominations can your potential buyer get the gift card in. Okay, here ringgit is my currency. Okay, so 10, 25, 50, 100, these are denominations that are default from Shopify. You can change them for sure. You can modify them, or you can even delete them. Okay, that depends on you. For example, if I'm not happy with 10, 25, 50, I could maybe change this to 20, 40, and 50, for example. And then you're done. Okay, so just save this gift card. Okay, then you can make it active. Okay, so now you have a gift card set up. Let's take a look at how it looks in the front end. Okay, so here it is. You can choose in what denominations to buy the gift card in. Okay, so this gift card will be purchased like a normal product. Okay, so then once the purchase is complete, the customer will get an email with the gift card information. Alright, so now let's take a look at how to issue gift cards. Let's go back to the gift card section, and now let's click on issue gift card. Okay, so as you can see, it's a pretty simple and straightforward process. There's a gift card code and then an initial value, as well as an expiration date setting. Okay, so for the gift card code, you can either use the one that Shopify has generated for you, or you can create your own. Okay, it depends on you. Make sure though, when you create your own gift card, that it is unique. So only one customer gets this gift card. Okay, so let's, for example, say we decide to go with the default that Shopify has provided, then we're all good. Then you can change the initial value or just keep it as 10. Okay, depends on you. For example, if I want to give a $100 gift card, okay, an expiration date, usually you will need an expiration date setting. Okay, so again here it says check the laws for your country before changing this date. Okay, maybe in some countries gift cards don't expire, so you have to make sure that applies. Okay, for example, if you do want to set an expiration date, just select this option and choose the date for which this gift card will expire. Okay, then once you're done, just save it. So all you have to do right now is copy this gift card code and then send it to the customer that you wish to give this gift card to. Alright, so that is how you set up gift cards in your Shopify store. So if you found this tutorial useful, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you want more content like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye!